G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, Senior Technician, and we are coming to you from the Gap, and we are at the lovely Walton Reserve, and we are looking after the Walton Bridge Girl Guides facility today. Listen, there's been a previous history of termites here, but the termite treatment that they did many years ago has now expired, and we are upgrading that termite treatment. We are using an amazing product called Termite HE, so I'm just going to sort of run you through the process, but this is just a shout out to Walton Bridge and also the local member for supporting this treatment, but also supporting small business and local business as well. I'm a Gap boy, born and bred. Our business is based in Everton Park, but we are very much Gap locals. We love this area. Got Peyton Road there and then the park here. So I grew up in this area, and I have many times ridden my bike and walked along this area. So anyway, we'll get stuck into it. I'll just quickly show you, we've just started drilling or doing our prep work. We've got our pipe locator here. He's just make sure that we scan everything underneath before we start drilling, just because, pardon me, it is very frustrating if we hit something. So here we are, we've got our 450 centers because we're using an amazing product called Termite HE, but yeah, we'll show you throughout. Okay, we are on to that next stage. So I have drilled all our drill holes around this facility here at 450 centers, and we are using the amazing product called Termite HE. And you can see that I've got my tank full, and we are reticulating, just making what we call the termite brew, getting that brew nice and solid for that injection. And we will start taking that next step of installing the product to this cool building. Righto, let's keep going. Okay, we are rod injecting, soil injecting Termite HE into the soiled perimeter around here. Love HE as it has a chemistry that will actually penetrate through the soil deeper, making the treatment more effective. Howdy, okay, we are at the tail end. We have injected our slab. You can see those grey plugs there, and we've also sealed it, and we've also washed the area down just to keep it clean. Obviously soil injection through there, you can see the rod or the product there with the darkness. But that's Termite HE. Now, our unique selling difference here at Trusted Pest Management, got a booger there. Anyway, that's we're not going to cut that out. Is that we offer a 10-year termite warranty. So 8 years is obviously the standard with termite, but we at Trusted give another 2 years. So we actually self-insure. So we only because I've been doing this for a long time, and I know that, well, I feel confident that termite can actually last 10 years. And we back that, and that's our unique selling point. So we say to people, well, we feel it's a fair exchange. It's a great protection period, 10 years, it's a decade, and also it's good for the customer. So we at Trusted feel good about it. So anyway, thank you. Use the best. Trusted Pest, Senior Technician, Wes Hill.